Hey beauty loves, welcome back to my channel. It is your girl Lakita and I am back with my updated natural eye makeup. If you didn't catch the last video, I updated my foundation routine, so you want to go ahead and check it out. I will link it somewhere in this video, not sure where. But if you like the way this natural eye, and this is my go-to look, turned out, just keep watching. Alright, so I'm going to start off by just cleaning up my eyebrows a little bit. I am using the LA ProConceal. I believe this is the color Nude that I'm using. And I'm just going, like I said, I'm cleaning up underneath my eyebrow. And then I'm going to drag it all the way over my lid. And I'm going to use that as a primer for my eyeshadow. Alright, and out of the Violet Voss Creme Bru Fun Size Eyeshadow Palette, I am using, I like to call it Sunburst. She didn't name any of the colors, so I just named them myself. And I call that color Sunburst. So I'm using that as a transition color. And I'm going to put that a little above and drag it down into my crease. I'm just going to continue to add that color until I get it into the vibrancy that I would like to be in this look. And I'm doing the same thing, and I'm actually making sure that I also cover my outer V as well. So that's what you see me do. And then on the outer V, I am also in that same Violet Voss Creme Bru palette. I am using one of the darker shimmer browns in there. And I'm just placing it on the outer V and just buffing it into that outer V and dragging it on the outer part of my lid. And I'm just going to continue to buff that in. There's a lot of blending going on here. Now, in the Violet Voss Creme Bru Fun Size Palette, there is a very nude, almost looks like off-white. So I'm putting that in my inner corners of my eyelid, because that's what I'm going to use as a base. Because really, honestly, with my everyday look, I typically go with just natural looks. I'm a natural type of girl. And now with a smaller brush, a more defined brush in my crease, I'm adding some really dark, more of the darker brown from the Violet Voss palette, and I am just really just outlining really my crease there with that. And then also in that palette, I am mixing from that palette. It's going to be most of like, it's another dark or orangey color that I put on my inner lid over that nude. So that's what I was doing. And then now I'm going to outline my waterline with Tyra Beauty's Kohl eyeliner pencil and the look of Catch the Man, honey, which is just simply a black. And then underneath the waterline, I am using out of the Voss palette the same darker browns, just to go ahead and connect the outer V with the underneath my waterline. And y'all already know, typically I will be all on that liquid eyeliner for Ruby Kisses, but I put her away this video. And I am actually still using Tyra Beauty's Catch the Man Kohl eyeliner pencil. And I'm just going to align my upper lid. And I'm going to stay as close as possible to my lash line. I tell you, this look is like super duper easy, even like if you're a beginner to makeup. I know when I first started doing makeup, which oh my gosh, has been so many years ago, like I don't even want to tell you how long I've been doing makeup professionally, but when I first started, I literally started with natural looks on my eyes. Now on my lips, girl, I always started bold, okay? Let's go ahead and be clear about that. Now out of the Jackie Aina's palette, I'm using one of her darker browns in there just to set that liner at the top. And then girl, because I want my bottom waterline to pop a little bit more. As you can see, I'm just adding more. Because I really want my eye to be a bit defined, you know. And then I'm also going to go over that liner with the Nudes Maybelline palette with some of their black powder as well. And what's so funny is that typically I don't even lock in. Well, I lock in my eyeliner just a little bit, but not like how I'm overdoing with the powder, using a Jackie Aina's palette and then the Maybelline Nude. It's just funny, you know, with us not being able to go really anywhere, being on in quarantine. Like now you want to do stuff right now. It's just like, what, girl? Are you serious right now? Okay, all right. So that's what you see me doing. I'm adding a little bit of the black powder on top of that eyeliner that I was just using. And I'm just dragging it out to a little bit to the crease, just to give it like that wing liner effect. Now using the L'Oreal's Voluminous mascara, that's in the color black. I'm using that on my lower lash and then Also, I use it on my upper lash before I lay down my lashes. And just to give my cheeks some color, I'm just going over my cheeky area with a blush, honey. It'll be listed in the lower. And then I'm gonna apply my lashes to my eyelids. And when I say my lashes, I do have a lash line. It's Makei lashes. This style is called Sophisticated Sophie. So I am applying Sophisticated Sophies on my lash line. If you want to go ahead and copy a pair of Sophisticated Sophies in the Makei Lashes collection, that would also be in the description box below. But girl, I don't know what's the name of that light blush that I put on. But I always dry my lashes because I'm so impatient. I have a fan, a lash fan, so I dry them with that, which I got on Amazon for like $10. So if you're impatient like me, you can go on Amazon. You can get that fan for like $10, okay? And also, if you're new to applying lashes and you go on MakeiLashes.com to get your lashes, you can also get you a pair of lash tweezers as well to help you with applying your lashes more effectively and more easily. Because it's all about ease and just having the necessities right now. Just having some convenient stuff here. And then I'm just going over my skin with the MAC's Global Glow. And on my lips, I'm lining my lips with light brown. I believe the lip liner is Italia lip liner. And this, girl, I've had this lip liner for forever. I always keep me some brown lip liners, honey. You know, just going back in the day, you know, I used to just have dark brown lip liner and lip gloss, okay? But this is the finished eye look. And it, like I said, it's really simple. As you can see, it wasn't that many colors that I use. Everything, you know, you pretty much get from, you know, your beauty store or your hair store. And all of the products that I use, honestly, they're very inexpensive products. So if you are new to makeup and you just want to try it out, honey, go ahead, try it out. All the products will be listed, like I said, below in my description bar. And don't forget to give your girl a thumbs up, leave a positive comment, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit that notification button so that way you are aware when I am releasing another video. And check out some of the other motivational videos that I have on this channel. So until next time, guys, always remember to aspire and inspire someone each and every day. As you know, this world is filled with a lot of negative views right now. So let's try and spread a little light and love along the way. Peace out.